Collins Chapter 2. What is the FASB Codification? At the end of this session, students will be able to describe the purpose of the codification and the meaning of authoritative. Also, students will be able to identify standard setters that have contributed to the current body of authoritative guidance, and this topic was covered in Chapter 1. The codification is considered the sole source of authoritative gap for non-governmental entities. It has been effective since 2009. The purpose of the codification is to simplify the research, and the term non-governmental entities encompasses both public and non-public companies. Authoritative guidance must be followed in order for entities to receive an unmodified, also known as an unqualified audit opinion. This means that to receive an unqualified or unmodified opinion, entities must use authoritative gap. The sole source of that is the codification. When it was created in 2009, the codification compiled all then effective accounting guidance from various sources. These sources include the sources you have used in previous accounting courses. Now, these original standards were superseded when the codification became effective. This does not mean that they're not still gap. They have just been moved into the codification, the sole source of authoritative gap. You don't need to memorize the list. It's located in the FASB's About the Codification document, accessible from the codification homepage, and this was used in our Week 1 activities. The codification is continually changing. The FASB is responsible for reviewing and, as necessary, revising content in the codification. To update the codification, the FASB issues accounting standards updates, and this will be covered in more detail later in the chapter. The accounting standards updates are not authoritative in their own right. They set forth the changes that will be made within the authoritative codification. These are shown in the codification as pending. Right now, a great source of pending material comes from the changes that are being made in revenue recognition. But until the effective date arises, these will be shown as pending in the codification. The WARIC Chapter 4 SEC video covers the SEC content in the codification. This screen just is a brief preview or summary of that information.